Milton, I also saw that you had your topic here. You said the capability of K-12 teachers to prepare art students for post-secondary education. So again, Milton, I'd encourage you to really think about what the outcome is in that. So the capability is kind of a difficult outcome. There was another person in the group who wanted to look at resilience as an outcome, and that's not the easiest outcome to define. So you just need to make sure there's enough studies that have actually investigated, what makes K-12 teachers capable for arts. I suspect you're going to struggle to find 30 plus papers that have looked at that specifically as an outcome. But if you think about capability broadly, maybe you could think about the capability. You could look at leadership. That could be one. You could look at different competencies that maybe have been studied. So I think you need to do a little bit more searching in the background to clarify the outcome. And I think in general, the outcome is one of the most challenging things. Courtney says, super